Ladies and gentlemen, continuing with the sweet vibe of the show today, the ED has dropped a sugar bomb on us, actually on the Aam Aadmi Party. The Enforcement Directorate has made some stunning allegations against Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who's severely diabetic. The probe agency has told a Delhi court that the AAP chief is intentionally consuming sugary items in an attempt to increase his blood sugar levels and get bail on medical conditions. The ED also claims that despite being a patient of diabetes, Mr. Kejriwal is eating sweets and bananas and mangoes and aloo puri and laddu and tea with sugar. Now, these big claims were made by the Enforcement Directorate in response to Mr. Kejriwal's plea seeking a consultation with his doctor. Mr. Kejriwal claims his sugar levels have increased significantly since his arrest. The BJP is calling this a sugar scam. AAP says this is a conspiracy by the BJP and the ED to kill Mr. Kejriwal. Listen in.
आज ईडी ने बार बार झूठ बोले, बार बार अफवाह फैलाई, कोर्ट में झूठ बोला। क्या क्या झूठ बोले? सबसे पहला झूठ जो ईडी ने बोला, उन्होंने कहा कि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी मीठी चाय पी रहे हैं, मिठाई खा रहे हैं। ये सरासर झूठ है। अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को उनके डॉक्टर द्वारा प्रिस्क्राइब्ड एक स्वीटनर एरिथ्रिटॉल की चाय भी और की मिठाई भी अलाउड है। ईडी का दूसरा झूठ कि वो केला खा रहे हैं अपना शुगर लेवल बढ़ाने के लिए। मैं ईडी से कहना चाहूंगी, मैं भारतीय जनता पार्टी से कहना चाहूंगी कि किसी भी डायबिटीज के डॉक्टर से जाके बात कर लीजिए। सारे सीरियस डायबिटीज के पेशेंट्स को इमरजेंसी के लिए अपने पास दो चीजें रखने को हमेशा कहा जाता है। केला रखने को कहा जाता है और किसी प्रकार की टॉफी या चॉकलेट रखने को कहा जाता है। ईडी का तीसरा झूठ कि रोज 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 आलू पूड़ी जैसा खाना खा रहे हैं। मैं ईडी वालों से आग्रह करूंगी, थोड़ा भगवान से तो डरो। इतना झूठ बोलने से पहले आपने खुद जो कोर्ट में डाइट चार्ट जमा किया है वो दिखा रहा है कि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने सिर्फ एक दिन पूड़ी खाई थी और वो था नवरात्रों का पहला दिन। हमारे धर्म में, हिंदू धर्म में, नवरात्रों के पहले दिन आलू पूड़ी का प्रसाद बनता है और सब लोग खाते हैं। अब आप नवरात्रों का प्रसाद भी नहीं खाने देंगे उनको जेल में? क्या ये एक साजिश हो रही है अरविंद केजरीवाल की जान पर हमला करने के लिए कि झूठ बोलकर, अफवाह फैलाकर अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के घर का खाना रोका जाए और फिर तिहाड़ के खाने के माध्यम से उनकी जान पर हमला किया जाए?
शराब घोटाले के बाद अब शुगर घोटाला। अरविंद केजरीवाल जी का एक घोटाला और सामने आया जब उन्होंने अपनी बेल याचिका लगाई और ये कहा कि मेरा शुगर लेवल बहुत बढ़ गया है, मैं डायबिटिक हूं और मुझे तुरंत जेल से बाहर निकाला जाए। ईडी का सनसनीखेज खुलासा सामने आता है कि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी जेल में जानबूझकर मीठी चीजें खा रहे हैं, आम खा रहे हैं, तली चीजें खा रहे हैं, मीठी चाय पी रहे हैं, जबकि वो डायबिटिक 2 हैं जिनको ये चीजें कभी नहीं खानी चाहिए। वो ऐसा इसलिए कर रहे थे ताकि उनकी शुगर लेवल बढ़ जाए और इस तरह से करके मैनिपुलेट करके वो जेल से बाहर आए।
Now, this isn't the first time a controversy has broken out over Mr. Kejriwal's health. Earlier, the Aam Aadmi Party had claimed that Mr. Kejriwal has lost 10 kgs after his arrest. The allegation was rejected by Tihar jail, which said not only has Mr. Kejriwal's weight remained constant, he has in fact gained 1 kg. RP Singh, national spokesperson of the BJP, with us on the broadcast. Abhishek Sudhir is a lawyer. He's joining us on the broadcast. We'll be speaking on behalf of the Aam Aadmi Party. RP Singh ji, घोटाला कौन कर रहा है? ईडी कर रही है और तिहाड़ कर रहा है या आम आदमी पार्टी और अरविंद केजरीवाल कर रहे हैं? पॉइंट बाय पॉइंट point the ED's contentions have been refuted by Atishi in a press conference today?
What he has said that Kejriwal ji didn't have 4 bananas in a day. You should have got a dietitian on your or someone who understands diabetes on your panel, and then probably that person would have told you that whether a person can have suffering from diabetes can have 4 bananas in a day. And she is talking about that he is a Hindu and he is abiding by the Hindu rituals of having puri and gobi, aloo. But same Hindu is having on 11th when the Navratras were on egg in the morning breakfast. So same Hindu goes by the puri, and then same Hindus go by the egg in the during the Navratras also. But that's not the issue. Issue is that diet chart has been given to the court. You would have had the copy of the diet chart.
RP Singh ji, एक बात मैं जरा आपको बता दूं. Mr. RP Singh, I am a very devout Hindu, है ना? Mr. RP Singh, I am a very devout Hindu. If I eat egg on Navratra, which I did, अरे भाई, that doesn't make me lesser of a Hindu. आप कैसी बात कर रहे हैं?
मैंने कहा ही नहीं, क्योंकि उन्होंने क्लेम किया कि नवरात्रे के दिनों भी हिंदू की प्रथा. मैंने अभी अपने आतिशी को भी सुना, मैंने थोड़ा बताया. आप छाती पीट कर क्लेम तो नहीं कर रहे.
मैंने भी तो आज दिखाया. I'm just saying कि food preferences पे क्यों टिप्पणी करना?
नहीं वो क्लेम नहीं वो क्लेम कर रहे हैं, इसलिए कहा मैंने. ना क्लेम करते हैं कि हम उसका आज तो उन्होंने राम राज्य की बात भी करी है. आज तो राम राज्य का चार्ट निकाला है जिस राम राज्य के अंदर 3 बच्चों की हत्या हो जाती है इनके जो हॉस्पिटल्स हैं उसके अंदर, और फिर उसके अंदर स्कूल्स की जो हालत है वो भी अभी जस्टिस मनमोहन सरी ने बता दी थी कैसे हालत है वहाँ उनके कोर्ट के अंदर. सब चर्चा में आ गई थी. इनका एजुकेशन अफसर बता नहीं पाया था उस राम राज्य के बारे में. आज मेरा चैलेंज लीजिए, आप दिल्ली के किसी कॉलोनी में चले जाइए, पानी की शॉर्टेज है. नहीं आप क्योंकि राम राज्य की आपने कहा ना, क्योंकि राम राज्य की कल्पना करते हैं, राम राज्य की बात करते हैं.
Is the ED really trying to tell us that a man who has diabetes is deliberately eating sugary foods to get bail on medical grounds? अरे बेल तो बाद में मिलेगी, उससे पहले इतना शुगरी फूड खा के उनका क्या हाल होगा ये आपने सोचा है? Why would a man do it?
Because it's a criminal mindset. Because he's working according to that. He's a blue collar criminal, and he's doing it according to that. He knows that how he has to be out.
But a criminal
he's desperate to be out of the jail.
He's not expected to be suicidal.
He's tried his best. No, it's not suicidal.
He's desperate to be out of jail. He will try anything at this point of time.
Give me a second. Give me a second, ma'am. Please give me a second. Give me a second. Please check his diet chart on 10th of April, and then see the comparative his sugar level on 11th of April, or check his diet chart on 11th of April, and then check his sugar level on 12th of April. But this really shows. I mean, and then that food is being served from home. It's not, and then he's having sweets also. Leave aside mango, banana. I mean, but he's having sweets also.
So, but home cooked food is his right.
There's an attempt being made.
As a prisoner, home cooked food is his right.
No.
Anyhow, Abhishek Sudhir, you can come in here. Essentially,
home
the BJP. अरे भाई, आपकी वाइफ आपको ऐसा खाना थोड़ी ना भेजेगी जो आपको मार सकता है. आरपी सिंह जी, कैसी बात कर रहे हैं आप? Anyhow, I'll let Abhishek Sudhir.
अरे मारने के लिए नहीं है वो. आप एक मिनट सुनिए, एक मिनट. ये क्रिमिनल माइंडसेट है जिसने बाहर एक के साथ एक शराब की बोतल फ्री में बेच दी और लोगों को नशे की आदत लगा दी, और अंदर जाकर वो उसी क्रिमिनल माइंडसेट से कि मैं किस लेवल पे हल्ला करूंगा ताकि मेरे कोर्ट में कहा. उन्होंने पीछे कहा कि शुगर लेवल आर फ्लक्चुएटिंग. देयर इज अनदर ग्राउंड फॉर मेडिकल bail. Earlier he tried his bail because he wanted to campaign.
Okay. Let's hear the other side.
Trying his best to take a bail.
Let's hear the other side. कैंपेन तो वो कर ही नहीं सकते क्योंकि कोर्ट ने बोल दिया आप कैंपेन नहीं कर सकते. हाँ, go ahead.
I mean, I'd rather let him speak because this is great comic relief, Shreya.
I mean, I really are we debating what Arvind
Kejriwal is eating?
बोलिए. अच्छा, रुक जाइए.
Can I please? Yeah, right. See, at the end of the day, Shreya, the thing is this: he has a right to eat what he wants. He has a right to home cooked food. Said right, and there is a diet chart prescribed by a doctor, and the court said tomorrow at 2 p.m. please show us that diet chart. Now at the end of the day, you are saying he can't eat mangoes, right? Prime Minister Modi saying you can't eat mutton, you can't eat fish. They want to regulate what we eat. They want to regulate who we marry. They want to regulate who we love. They want to regulate how we live. They don't just want our vote, Shreya. They want to exert dominance on every aspect of our life. Now, if Arvind Kejriwal is saying that I want to eat a mango, that is his right to eat a mango. Now they're saying, oh, he's eating mangoes to harm himself. I mean, what kind of logic is this? Zoeb Hussain, who's the ED's lawyer, making this claim in court saying he's eating mangoes and sweets to deliberately harm himself. Am I asking Zoeb Hussain, oh, did you eat mutton on Eid? I'm not questioning Zoeb Hussain on what he's eating. Am I questioning RP Singh? RP Singh has lost his cool on me several times. I have serious doubts that I feel Mr. RP Singh is a BP patient. Am I going to his house and saying, RP Singh ji, आप थोड़ा नमक कम खाइए, आप debates पे आपको बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा है? I mean, I'm not saying that, am I? Right here, everybody has a right to eat what they want to eat. And if he's eating to harm his own health, I mean, that makes no sense, Shreya. Does that make sense?
I agree, but what also doesn't make sense is the fantastical claims, Abhishek Sudhir, that the Aam Aadmi Party tends to make from time to time. For example, the ED and Tihar jail are conspiring to finish off Mr. Kejriwal. ये भी थोड़ा ज़्यादा है ना?
I don't know.
When you make those fantastical claims, people will tend not to believe you because it amounts to wolf.
See, Shreya, you've heard of Alexei Navalny, right? Alexei Navalny was a fierce critic of Putin for 20 years. Putin didn't set out to kill Alexei Navalny on day one. It took Putin 20 years to kill Alexei Navalny in a prison in Siberia. 20 years from now, the Prime Minister says he has a roadmap till 2047. So maybe they have a long-term map to, long-term plan to wipe out the opposition. Now you'll say this is fantastical, but this is how all regimes start. In the Republic of Ireland, our ambassador, Mr. Akhilesh Mishra, he's criticizing the Congress party in an official communique from the embassy over there, saying Mr. Modi is so great, he's so great. I mean, Veer Sanghvi, the journalist, has said this is like a communique issued by, Kim Jong-un's diplomat. You are saying the Congress party has ruined India, you're a diplomat. Look at what's happening. Look at Mr. Modi is becoming the supreme leader. Like lawyers are saying, opposition can't be allowed to eat this. He's saying Tejasvi Yadav should not be allowed to eat this. You should not be allowed to marry that person. They are encroaching on every aspect of our life. Arvind Kejriwal could very well become the Alexei Navalny of India. You laugh today, but 20 years ago, everybody in Russia also laughed when they said Alexei Navalny will be killed by Putin. And we see what happened to Alexei Navalny.
I'll let you respond to that, adding that the Aam Aadmi Party is saying that insulin is being denied to a diabetic patient by Tihar jail, which is why they claim there is an attempt to finish him off. Now, it may be fantastical, I don't believe that. But respond to what Abhishek Sudhir is saying.
Well, I don't need to respond to Abhishek Sudhir. He is not worthy of responding response from my side. But let me tell you what happened.
He's a fellow panelist. That's what a debate is, na?
नहीं answer. No. But वो किस प्रकार के बेतुके से प्रश्न उठा रहे हैं कि किसी को 20 साल तक जेल में रखकर जहर से मार दिया जाएगा. अरे सर, हिंदुस्तान के जेल में हर चीज वीडियोग्राफ होती है. एवरीथिंग इज वीडियोग्राफ एंड ऑल दिस विल बी सेंट टू द कोर्ट आल्सो. ऑल दिस वीडियोस विल बी सेंट टू कोर्ट आल्सो वेदर ही इज बीइंग गिवन इंसुलिन और नॉट. Nothing can be hidden. So there is a camera in every room, every place there is a camera. So everything is on record whether he has been given insulin or not. So आप झूठ का परपंच रह सकते हैं, which you are entitled to as a lawyer. You can defend your friend, but उसके चलते हुए you can't deny the audio visuals, you can't deny the visuals which have been recorded. But coming to the point, on June 11th, his sugar level was 280, and next day he is having, please go through the fruit diet chart, he is having mithai. So वो इतने अनपढ़ तो है नहीं, वो इतने ऐसे भी नहीं है जिनको पता नहीं है. He was ex-IRS chief minister of the city, and he was still a chief minister. So he would know what he has to eat and what is the advantages or what is the sugar level at what level he has to eat. Give me a second now.
My own sense is that
आपने पूरा टाइम
नहीं, मैं आपको सपोर्ट कर रही हूँ आरपी जी. What I'm saying, Abhishek Sudhir, is that you should be thankful to the BJP and to the ED for being so mindful of what Mr. Kejriwal is eating. उनको उसके हेल्थ का ख्याल है ना, इसीलिए तो बोल रहे हैं.
ख्याल है तो then don't oppose bail. Let him come outside and let his sugar come under control.
No, they want him to be okay even
they want him to be okay in jail. Okay, I'll give you the example Saket Gokhale. You might have heard of him, Shreya. Saket Gokhale is an MP from the TMC. He was deprived of home cooked food. He was taken to Assam. His home cooked food can't come from Delhi, right? They deprived him of home cooked food. This is how they break the spirits of prisoners in Tihar jail. They deny under trial prisoners home cooked food. Arvind Kejriwal is like being treated like a terrorist. He's not able to have face to face contact with anybody. He's being isolated from Manish Sisodia. There's a glass panel when he's beating Bhagwan Maan, when he's meeting his wife. He's not able to have any physical contact with any other human being. The man is eating a mango. आम आदमी आम नहीं खा सकता है क्या? सिर्फ खास आदमी खा सकता है आम? Let an आम आदमी eat आम यार. इस पे भी आपको टिप्पणी देनी है. तेजस्वी फिश नहीं खा सकता, अरविंद केजरीवाल मैंगो नहीं खा सकता. अरे भाई, just kill all of us यार. Just kill all of us. Let's not eat. Finish off the opposition.
चलो, हो गया. टाइम भी खत्म हो गया. आरपी सिंह जी, थैंक यू वेरी मच. कल दोबारा बात करेंगे. Since the court is hearing the matter, we'll speak about it again tomorrow. And tomorrow is when the first vote will be. भाई, अमित शाह जी का इंटरव्यू चलाना है मैंने, और जयराम जी का भी इंटरव्यू चलाना है मैंने, और मैं पार्शियलिटी नहीं करना चाहती. आरपी सिंह जी, कल बात करेंगे इस पे. और थैंक यू वेरी मच आरपी सिंह, एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच अभिषेक सुधीर फॉर जॉइनिंग अस हियर इन द स्टूडियो.